ये कल वाला क्वेश्चन क्यों लग रहा है साला कल वाला तो भाई दोनों से इसमें एक भी बंदा ऑनलाइन नहीं है क्या बकलोली है इसमें 1.6 मेंबर्स ऑनलाइन यहाँ पे भी एक भी बंदा नहीं मैं तो हूँ भाई इसका ट्रैकिंग सिस्टम काम नहीं कर रहा 4,000 नंबर्स ये तो मेरे से कभी नहीं हो रहा था ग्रीडी पढ़ने के बाद करूँगा सोच रहा था मैं तो वही Oh, my stream disconnected. Wow, beautiful. Excellent. तो स्ट्रीम मर गया सारा How do I set an hard the problem right now? एक घंटा में करना है bro. I will like when you want how to do this is it's fucking problem. That's even yesterday's question was not able to be solved. It's literally same thing. Yeah. Be right back. They brought dinner. We'll be back in 5 minutes, I guess, like 10 minutes maybe. Reset timer. Yeah, bro. Be right back, be right back. uh, mm, so we don't have to include the start time. 6. Since my water time has started at 6, so we don't have to include this. Water duration is 3 now. 6 plus 3 is 9. Here we have 5, 3. Since my water ID starting with first, the data start time and water duration which is 10 now. So start plus end is 11. 11 plus land duration is 3, so which is like 14. Okay, I need to check the minimum value and maximum value from this thing. We check minimum value, then for maximum value. Bro, we don't even have a maximum value here, like in the second example case, I guess. I'm able to see only like two examples given here. Start land time is 2 and 8. Here you have to take the minimum value, which is like 2, and maximum is like 4, which gives me like 6, and which is equals to my water start time. And my water duration is like 3, so like, since we already had the land start time plus land duration time, which is like 6, and my water start time is also like 6, so we don't have to include it again. So if 6, if this value plus this value comes together and matches, then we can cancel out this thing like this. After that we have the water duration which is 3, so if we add up everything like 6 plus 3, then we will get like, what do you say, we get the 9. We don't have to do it like this, I guess. What I need to return, let me do this. If I'm able to solve this first one, then the same solution goes for this. Like, I don't know why they repeated the same thing again. Maybe some difference, I guess. Even the question is same, bro. Like only the tag got changed. That's how people play with the LeetCode. People play with the person's drawing and their art. It can go till. It can go till. Oh, I did not even start my timer. No, let's start doing. On the land start time, I need to pick up the minimum. कोई फायदा नहीं है भाई. There is no use of doing this thing. तो मतलब land start time में से I need to take like let me try once. That I will be 0 and I go till land start time. L start time is 0 now. I have to pick the minimum value, right? L start is map dot min of my L start time. L yeah, L start time and my land start off I guess. Is this right, Dusky? Can I do this, right? I can do this, right? Then from the let the fuck am I doing? Let j equals to my 0 and j goes till my land duration. Land duration dot land. What the hell is dot land? And my j look ends here, and then after that I maybe just take the ln time, I guess. L ln time. Ignore the variable name since I'm really bad at giving a fuck. Uh, names for the variables right now. PSA path. So we have the j and land duration. I have to take the largest value, I guess. Since here we're picking the smallest value, and from here we're taking the largest value. So I have to what I have to do? I have to pick the largest value, right? So I have to take the largest value and do like max of. See, max, right? What the fuck? Why am I even thinking so much about writing the max? Did I write it wrong? Land duration of I, this will give me the land time. Now since we have both the land start and end time, I have to check. Uh, do you have to do it? Do you have to do the same for the water, right? Since we got the land time, which is like my minimum value from the starting time, so this will be my minimum value, and the land time, which will be like the maximum value out of the whole land duration. and now we got the land start time and end time. So what do you need to do? You have to add them and check if it is equal to any water start time, or should I pick the maximum value from the water start time and minimum value from the water duration again? How am I going to do this now? Since I have the land start time and end time, I have to add them and check if it is equal to any water start time. Or it's a different approach. Like totally, it's a different approach. I think. Bro, I'm fucking fumbling right now. I have 54 minutes left for this question. Let me. Uh, how do we do now? Should I do land start time plus land end time equals to my water start time? The fuck? IAT team, bro. Search a guy. What the fuck is this? What kind of motivation is this? What kind of motivation are you giving, brother? Bro, where did I go wrong, man? What the hell? Who is the guy you're saying like coder guy? What the hell is he? Is he like me? Or like he is like good, better than me? This guy?
To make an increasing sequence of page. Yeah, if this is less than equal to, then definitely I have to remove this. Okay, okay, index plus this.
Bro, he's doing DP, man. What the fuck are you saying?
Wait a minute. Number of page can be zero? No, right? It can't be. So this is the case. I have two choice. I can remove. If I remove, my previous become previous. Previous is not changing, and I need to pay this cost. Okay. If I'm not removing, then I'm not paying extra cost, and my index is become hi code guy. Thanks for subscribing, by the way.
MTech CSC Finance CS student IIT Delhi.
What we can do here? This is simple DP question. I don't know what fucking error I'm getting here. If I add, wait, let's debug. That's the last ultimate weapon we have. Let's print this and we'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we are not getting fucking error. See, I add. Now we are not getting error, right? Bro, I'm struggling with easy questions. Easy question means for someone 500 level, 500 is also easy. For someone 1000 is five, no, 1500 is also easy. For someone 1000 is also easy. In which platform? LeetCode easy or okay, LeetCode easy. That means you are not strong with the programming language, right? Because LeetCode easy question is just today's problem of the day. Let me look into it. See, LeetCode easy question means it is nothing. Like you don't have to think logically. There is no logic involved, right?
Eh?
Uh, that means you should good at some programming language. This is
Correct.
not easy. This is medium question, bro. Today's problem of the day.
ये तो sorry.
Today's problem of the day is not easy. It's a medium question. So easy question. If you are not able to solve easy question, that means you are still lagging the concept of programming language, whichever programming language you are using. Because easy question always require just to code what they it's okay, let me see what's tomorrow. Can you tell me the name or question number? Okay, let me open here. Yeah,
Yeah, do it.
this is easy. I can understand.
Yeah,
See,
do it. It's
this
in.
is easy. You just need to
Hmm.
convert this English to a coding language. That is, I
Uh,
don't know. This is hard or easy. This is the constraint is also low. So the most probably brute force work here. And if you want, I can solve this for you. You are given two category of theme, park, attraction. Hi Ritvik. Message retract. What that mean? I
deleted
don't know,
it.
bro. What's happened with your comment? Let's go to. Hi Ritvik. Hi. How are you? Why am I Gemini? Does my buds connected? I don't think so, right? Is my if my voice feels low, you can tell me. Hi Ritvik. Hi, yeah, I will solve this question. Don't worry. Okay, so let's solve this question. So you're given two categories of theme park attraction, land ride and water rides. Okay, so land ride. So land start time is this. The earliest time of the ith land can be boarded. Okay, and how long? So it is telling there's two type of rides. Land ride for the ith land ride starts at this time and it will continue till this duration. I'm streaming a live stream. Oh, is it? Let me search. What's your channel name? The Code Guy. Code GUI Guy. This right?
This duration.
Damn. Damn, bro. Damn. Salute. Let me subscribe you. Bro, I subscribed your channel. So let me solve this question for you. Crazy rich. Yes, we are truly in 2026. See, the question is like we have two kind of rides, a land ride and a water ride. And for each ride, we have a start time and how long that ride will continue. Okay, that's it. A tourist must experience exactly one of the ride for each category in either order. A ride may be started at its opening time or any later moment. Okay. If a ride is started at time T, it finish at this. Okay. Immediately after finishing a ride, the tourist may board the other if it is already open or wait until it's open. Return the earliest possible time at which the tourist can finish both rides. My concern here is we'll see. So my concern here is, for example, some ride started at 2 and it continue for, let's say 2 and continue for 3 extra minutes. It started at 2 and it finished at 5, right? And let's say something started at 3 and it finished at 7. So we take this ride or not? Like if we already in this ride and finish at 5 and this ride is already started at 3, so we finish, do we take this ride or not? So that is not cleared right now. So we'll see few test cases and we'll get that. Ritvik has question. Uh, my Code Forces rating is 1048. I started like 3 months back, still a newbie and currently second year finished. I am from NIT Warangal, Chemical. Should I continue doing CP or bro? I will give you the motivation of your life. You are telling just 3 months, right? How long I am doing? Just see. It doesn't matter. 3 months is nothing. At least you are 1040. That's fine for you. This is my handle. My voice is low now. My buds. Oh fuck! I lost my buds charging. Wait a minute. See, I started 4 years ago. Still I am newbie,
Damn,
right?
4 years ago. Crazy, right?
Still I'm able to crack questions. Code forcing is like competition. You can consider code. Don't rate yourself on the basis.
Sport forces is like a sport. Thanks, Rich. Thanks. I think my voice is without buds.
The
Oh,
fuck is
that's
the
fine.
name of the
Then
thing?
see, I'm not even a specialist, right? But I'm able to solve 1800 DP question sometime. I'm able to solve 1900 DP question. Core forces required a strong mathematical model thinking. Sometime it's a sport, right? This is a sport.
Same thing.
Lead code is like a interview level question. Ad coder is also a sport, but I love ad coder problem solving because it doesn't always ask a mathematical model question. Because I know I'm weak at the math, but that doesn't feel me necessary to learn maths
It'd
problem
be
because interview
in
doesn't even revolve
time
around
on
maths question.
time.
So that's fine. Do not quit. And that's the only suggestion I can give you. Okay, so where we are here, a tourist must experience exactly one of the ride for each
Not written
category in
the
either
minimum.
order. And my question is, the doubt is this, right? If something started at 2 and finished at 5 and something started at 3 and finished at 7 and we already in this ride, so after finishing this ride, do we take this ride or not? So let's say this. It started at 2 and started at 8, okay, and started at 6, that's fine. Plan A, land ride 0, then water ride 0.
The fuck?
Plan B, water ride 0 and land ride 1. Plan C, land ride 1, water ride
Then
0.
what does it
Plan
says?
D, water ride 0, land ride 0. Okay. So plan A give the earliest finish time. The concern here is we need to find the earliest finish time. We can take in any order, right?
Oh yeah, Wallace are not defined.
कहाँ से आया मैं कहाँ जाऊँगा,
क्या नाम है
मेरी
इसका?
स्ट्रगल देख। I will go, man. Have a great night. Gonna work on a project. Yeah, bro. Bye bye. Thanks for joining.
Why am I getting this error?
Oh, still live, right?
I'm streaming a live
Stream.
so
Hi. Oh, you're solving using JavaScript. Great. I will go, man. Have a great night. Gonna work on a project. Yeah, bro. This is
bye bye.
something
Thanks for joining.
interesting.
Why am I getting this error?
Oh, still live, right? Cool, cool, cool. So I know this is a brute force question. Then what is a better way to do brute force? That is what I'm thinking right now. The simplest idea is we create an interval and that's it. Yeah. And we'll try each. Yeah. So my what we'll do is okay, good. It's not bad to do. JavaScript is actually crazy. At least C or some program, some JavaScript I don't think so too useful for CP, right? You should learn C++, Python or Java. Hmm. So what we'll do here is we'll create the interval, yeah, vector of, yeah,
ये
pair
काम क्यों नहीं कर रहा है यार? क्या हो गया इसको? L start
of.
time, L end time है. W
Oh,
start time.
great! You pushed. That's great, man. I'm new at development. Interval. Okay. We'll do here is we'll go through all the auto ampersand x over. Ah, no, x won't work here. N is equal to length start time. Okay. Then iterate
Yo,
is
Koji, what's
equal
up,
to
man?
I plus plus.
यार इसको डिबग करना है. आ रहा हो क्या? इसमें आ रहा हो क्या? डिबग कर देंगे.
Right now, jobless for grinding DS a bit if I land the interview. I don't want to from work. That's fine, bro. It's not bad. At least you are trying, right? You're trying your best. You will get a good job. Don't worry. Just grind. Just grind. Don't get diverted. Don't get demotivated. Just grind. So what we'll do here is in interval, yeah, interval
Hey, where is my code, man?
dot push back
What the hell is wrong with the LeetCode?
start time and its duration. Okay, and similarly we'll do for we have a different, right, or both size of both can be okay, it's a different size. So this dot size, same thing we'll do for this, and water start time, water duration. My voice is, I feel my voice is low. No, it's fine, right? I should speak louder then. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll sort interval on the basis of start time interval dot begin comma interval dot end. Now for each ride we'll consider our starting
Oh,
ride.
sorting.
Let's say answer, we want minimum, so we'll initialize our answer with the maximum. Okay, now we'll do brute force here. Less than, let's says the size of interval I plus plus. Okay, cool. So current time is 0, right? Yeah. And j. Wait a minute. What I'm doing here is, yeah. Wait a minute. I'm thinking each I
ट्राई किया भाई.
for each, let's say in my interval, we can do two land ride simultaneously, right? Consecutive. Immediately after finishing one ride, switch
Start
my board to the other if already open, or waiting
start
until it's
timer and
open.
end
Okay.
timer and auto
Either
start
the
time and
that's
auto
right.
end time. And इसमें से minimum return
Here
कर
is
रहा हूँ but
equal
it is not.
to
क्या
no.
हो गया इसको?
So current is the ith ride. So my time is this. For int j is equal to I plus 1,
मेरे को क्वेश्चन अच्छा
j
से मतलब
is
समझना आना
less
चाहिए
than
भाई. क्वेश्चन
sz
समझ में आएगा.
j plus plus. Cool.
I'm getting
If
stuck
I'm
with the question itself, I guess.
so my current time is equal to
बस टाइम जा रहा, दिमाग खराब
interval
हो रहा है.
of I plus
रोक ही देता
dot
हूँ, कर थोड़ी रहा हूँ.
first plus
ये कहाँ
interval
गया
of I
क्वेश्चन? कहाँ गया?
interval of I dot second. Okay, cool. So here I will check if I'm able to take the jth ride. So what I will do here is I will take this interval of j dot first. Yeah, this should be greater than in okay and greater than equal to my current time. So I'm able to.
तो और भी आया
What
यहाँ
I
पे.
will do is my current time will be this
लॉल.
plus this. Got it? And yes, and after finishing this, we'll do answer is equal to minimum of answer. Where is it?
check your
I
submission. Of course.
sorry if I didn't pronounce. Bro, $200. If I am helpless here, I am feeling helpless.
Look at the error. It says like infinity can't be
I am
written or
feeling
something. I don't
helpless
know.
now. Won't
Maybe
even.
infinity का error आ रहा है. It's like you can't return infinity. Null. The value is null here. You can't paste the lane. Let me make it more.
Okay, and we'll return answer.
What the hell?
Fuck, fuck, fuck. I
Yeah,
should
try
be
now. Try now.
gambling.
Try now. Don't paste the link. Why the column thing is not
Oh,
working?
you have running board also. So I'm getting wrong answer for the second test case. Why?
Where did I even go wrong, man?
I'm getting 8, but answer is 14. Why? It started at 5 and started at
Oops,
1 and
Python.
ended this. Okay.
Oh, I need a double loop to do
How
this.
14? 5 and it's end at 3. Wait a minute. What? Start water ride 0 at finish at this. Okay. Okay, I got it. So we can take actually. Yeah. Then this is nothing. Then say we don't even need this loop. Then
I'm so fucking dumb, bro.
we don't even need this loop. So, so what we'll do here is answer is equal to 0 now. Now this is much simpler. So what we'll do here is if let me declare this current time here,
Shouldn't be this
and
also
current time
zeros
is
and zero
initially
minimum is like
0.
can't be
Yeah,
this is the
if
zero. Even my end time should be
interval of
infinity.
I is
Oops,
greater
I'm
than
getting an error right now. Not a
current
bad.
time is initially 0, so don't get confused with this is just a comment. If this I can say current time
Where is my solution?
will make current time is equal to this,
What the fuck?
and we'll do current time
2, oh, which is a minimum and maximum value.
plus is equal to this. This is second. S is 0 and the second. I hope there's a better solution exists for this code also, and return current time. And we fucked up at first question, then
Nah, this is not a straightforward
what's
question.
going on here?
You can't just push the value and you get the answer. It's like you have to do it a different optimized part. You have to see the solution or should I try? I'm not.
Return the earliest possible time at which tourists can finish both rides.
Oh, why am I so fucking
What's wrong
dumb?
with this then?
Bro, even I did the same thing, right? Like took the maximum and
We
minimum,
can write this in a
then
better
returning
way
the minimum of
also.
the
Maximum
I don't know
of
why.
current time, comma.
Yeah, for the water ride and the land ride.
Hmm.
I solved only like 10 questions.
Why? Started at 2 and take 4. Started at 8 and take 1.
Somebody shook the juice, so it's fucking overflowing now.
कहाँ से आया कहाँ जाऊँ मुझे struggle देख. We can do what's wrong here actually. Wait, I will take this ride. I will take second ride, right? Let me debug. I hope I am correct here. No, bro. Let me solve. This is done and dusted. Current is 6. Okay, that means I took the first ride. Then
Yo, why are you saying wow? There's nothing to do wow, man. I
wait.
haven't done anything great.
Current is 6. That means I took the first ride.
My solution is not giving me the answer right now. It's showing some
Then
null error.
I
So where
immediately
are we
took the
getting the null
second
error now? It's on the 20th
ride.
character.
That means
I
the
have a
water
20th
ride.
character.
6 plus that means 3. Then 9. Okay.
You don't have to delete it. I have
Wait
read
a
it
minute.
already.
We have exactly one of the ride for each category
You have to add the
in
water duration time.
either order. So the
Something
current
wrong
code is
here since I'm
actually
taking the water duration and water duration of J. It is a minimum.
wait. Let me read the question. We have to finish all the ride, right?
It's not a
Earliest finish time for land ride and water ride.
And entertainment, what
One ride for each tourist must experience exactly one ride
I'm even doing the maximum thing
for
inside
each
this.
category
So shit,
in
I'm
either
broken, bro.
order. What the fuck? Oh my god, this is a super easy question. We just need to do two rides. And whichever is you don't even need this fucking code, this big fucking code. See, that's why to understand question careful. This is easy, right? That is what I'm thinking. Why they required? We just need to do two rides. That's it. Fuck. Then brute force board the ride and take the minimum. Why fucking? Why I didn't read the question carefully. We just need to do two rides. That's it. Wait. Let's not do. This is nothing. Then let's remove this. Let's remove everything.
Do you have to return only
Let's
minimum?
I need
I have to
NNM
take the
and I need
maximum in between them, right?
NS. Hmm.
Then they should be working then.
Okay.
If it was
Try
depending
with
on
this
the
here.
minimum thing.
At less than
I feel
10.
like I'm doing something
5 plus
wrong with this
plus.
step or maybe this should be right
J
since
is
we are
equal
taking
to
L
J is
start time,
less
which is
than
land start
10.
time.
J plus plus. Yeah.
And it will be
That is
having the
the
minimum value and
answer.
the maximum value will be inside my end time, and after that
Okay.
we have a W
You
start
can
time, which
use
is a
this
border
also
start
into
time.
max.
Start
Okay.
time of high, you should do.
But I don't.
And from there we have to take a minimum, then I have
Can
to
be.
put
That's
them inside
fine.
the minimum thing.
So what we'll do here is we'll calculate two answer.
Pretty
Firstly, we'll
far.
do ride A
If I'm able to solve this question, then
and it will
the
take.
next question will be solvable since the both
Wait a
questions
minute.
are same.
I'm getting network. Wait.
Four loops. Yeah, I have a four loop here.
Okay.
One, two, three, four. But I have an individual loop for four of them. I don't have the
Okay.
double loops. I
So
guess like
answer will
n
be
square
let
loop.
me first start ride one and started at this and will continue for this many duration. Okay. And then
Man, this question has been
answer one
cooking
is
me from
equal to
yesterday. Like what the
maximum
heck?
of answer one comma
I
then I
felt
will
like
start
I need to know
ride
the greedy in order to
two.
solve this question. So later when I read
Okay.
the question, I
And
understood like
then it
I
will
need to
continue
return some
for
minimum part.
this much duration.
But here in the topic
Or
section,
I can
I'm able to see the
take the
greedy
ride
binary search and a lot of things.
this first. It's a J. It's the J. Okay. J plus and will continue for it's a duration. Where is duration? Will continue for this much duration. Answer 2 is equal to max of answer 2 comma this and it will continue for this duration, right? And my answer is equal to minimum of all of them and we'll return our answer.
Wait.
I hope I understand question correctly now. See, see, fucking question. This is the fucking question. I misread the question and don't tell me. I got accepted. Say, bro, say. I told you, right? Just need to understand question carefully. That's it. I told you, right? Let me comment. Done. You think I'm dumb? I'm just joking, right? Don't take it seriously. I'm just joking. No, bro. You are not dumb. No one is dumb here. If you are trying, that means you are not dumb. The one you are sleeping, they are dumb. They are also not dumb. They are smart. That's why they don't even need practice. You need practice, right? I hope today I won't reach my target. Oh, why? I set the target too high. I don't know why I set a target this high. I want to solve the DP question actually. This is the main concern.
What am I even doing? This question was supposed to be easier. Like, what the fuck am I even doing in that? Start time, end time. How do you guys even understand the question, bro? Like, what the fuck? I'm not able to understand the question size. Uh, getting a run time. Oh, finally it worked, bro. Can you explain like where I'm making mistake right now? पता नहीं क्या होगा मेरा लाइफ में भाई, कुछ नहीं बन रहा है, कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा मेरा। Just go to hell, bro. अरे कोड 99 भाई हो क्या? मेरे को लगता है कुछ और करना चाहिए अब जिंदगी में। भाई इसी को सुन भी नहीं आ रहा, क्या ही करें। वाटर ड्यूरेशन है, रिफैक्टरिंग करना सीखना चाहिए मेरे को भाई। डेवलपमेंट में तो कमेंट्स वगैरह होते हैं भाई, इसमें कमेंट वगैरह किए हैं नहीं। सो मेरा कोड चलेगा बट आई हैव टू मेक सम चेंजेस, आई सी। मतलब अप्रोच सही था बट वैल्यूज इधर उधर कर दिया मैंने। फाइन एनफ आई गेस। एल एंड टाइम मिनिमम लेंगे एंड फिर क्या लेंगे? फिर वाटर ड्यूरेशन लेंगे क्या? मिनिमम ऑफ वाटर ड्यूरेशन, आई मीन water start time of 5 plus water duration। मिनिमम में तो दो दो वैल्यू चाहिए होंगी, एक वैल्यू से नहीं होगा। ओह fuck, math of minimum, math of max, damn bro, ये तो क्रेजी क्वेश्चन है। अब मैं इसी को उठा के उधर पेश करूंगा तो वो वाला भी चल जाएगा ना। मेरे को और अच्छा से पढ़, आई फक्ड अप। dumb guy codes is my username, hereafter I will change। math dot max of water start time plus l start time। My username, let me change my username, it's pretty big bro, it's random gibberish words। How do you guys even like, what the hell is wrong with my mind? Am I dumb or like I'm not able to understand the question itself? लॉल ब्रो हो गया ना भाई, दिल से उड़ा लगे। L start time, L start time, L start time। J J J E E E I I I, यहाँ पे J है, यहाँ पे I आएगा ना। Don't have any J loop। Since you can't loop inside the J, since it's different separate loop, this is separate। Bro, Code 99 is a fucking genius. Bro codes only in Python, but he's going for like it's a JavaScript right now for me. Such a kind guy. I'm just useless. I don't hope anything in my life right now, bro. What the fuck? Will this work now? Oh, why is I in the W end time I'm storing the minimum of water end time and maximum of water start time and start resolution. Even adding it. We got a 28th line. We have a 28th line. What? Where? Did we miss any bracket? I feel like there is a bracket missing here somewhere. Missing after argument list. Did you add bracket? Math.minimum contains everything. And math.max has these values. It does not have. Got the same error again, like some infinity shit. Will this solution not work at all? Like, what the hell? This motherfucker gave me trauma right now. It made me think about my life. It made me overthink like what the fuck am I even doing in my life? I'm not letting it go, man. I'm going to put my 100% now. Since I was just using my 50% of fuel, now I'm going to use my 100%. 59th line. What the hell? I don't have 59th line. I feel like we're going to ask for GPT. Like, what the hell is wrong with my solution? I could have asked the Gemini itself, like, do we have any issue in the code? Just names no answers. What does it say? Spelling mistake. Did you fix it last time? No. What a start time is not defined. Or it should be time. What the fuck? Holy moly, bro, you're fucking genius. Can you explain me like why are we adding the duration and stuff here? Like I don't understand why we're adding the duration and everything. Um, wait a minute. The right start and end time is equals to the right end, right? I forgot this thing, I guess. So bad. If I had added this thing, then this should be good. I had to do math of max of one start time of I and land start. I don't understand this thing yet. This is it. Oh shit. It bits 100%. What the fuck? This is what I was trying to do. My first start time, my duration, and second start time and duration. That is what I wrote. Like my end time, start time, and I'm going to have a last one value at the end. So I don't even have to think about many things there. My first option found is like my first option. What the hell is this? First completion is infinity. What is this even doing? A minimum of my first completion. Okay. My first option index. I, how do I scroll down? I can't. I mean, I can't go left to right scroll. I have to make it smaller in order to see this thing. Ooh, this guy has scoped so hard, man. He wrote double solution for this thing. I just like he did a lot of things. Oh, this is a single solution. No, I don't think. From here we have a different solution. Until here we have a different solution. What did he do? All this finish time is he's having the land start time, land duration, water start time, and water duration. And for the land first, he calculating the minimum time. Where are we using the minimum time? Don't tell me you have a minimum time. Oh, okay, I see. Then why do you have this thing here on the top? I don't know what he's trying to do, but yeah, I understood like he wrote a function here and then he used it below there. And from there he returned the minimum. It's a good way of writing code, I guess. I need to learn from these people. These need to be done in this way. First completion is my infinity and options index. Uh, I'm almost habited of writing I and J. Since if I see something different, then my brain starts. What do you say? The thing hallucinating, simply like an AI. Second operation can start or before first operation is complete. Let me see other people's solutions. Like, did someone did something? Holy shit! What is this? He took. He literally took the first value from everything. Then what is doing? He wrote a double loop. And he went till the J and he took the max of my land start time, land duration, water start time, and water duration. He took everything, literally took everything. And what he did, like A is my less than my A, I mean T is less than my A. So T is less than my A. So when it is less than my A, then my A becomes T. Oh, he literally took a minimum. He literally took a max on both time. Like it's literally the same, I guess. In the first part, he did it like water start time and land start time and land duration and in water start time and water duration. But in the second time, he did water start time, water duration, land start time, land duration. He just wrote a max function and he got the thing, bro. What the fuck? What the hell I was even trying to do then? I'm so fucking dumb, bro. Hell, how these people are able to come up with these solutions? Are they? I mean, like, do they optimize it later, or like maybe they do it on the go? The code is like literally 7 lines or 8 lines of code, and like literally covered everything. Every test case has been covered here. This is what you call a true coding. But this part is like literally a little bit confusing for me right now. Like I need to understand like, what it's trying to do. Maybe T and A. If my T is less than my A, so my T is 0. T is less than my A. I twist T is less than 0. So A becomes T again. Like if my T is less than A, then my A becomes T. So my T will be remaining 0 every time I guess. Why are we even doing the T as 0 here? In your current code snippet, initializing inside the function act of a temporary placeholder variable stored in the calculated finish time for specific combination of land and ornamentation. During each loop iteration, here is the hint regarding what is written in the way potential catch to look for. Notice T is strictly used in the nested loop as T starts at overrides and whatever value was previously T because it gets entirely reassigned to the um, first line of the inner loop and initializing to the 0. Initializing it to the let T equals undefined. I feel like in order to stop the loop, he's trying to do, I guess. I see, I see. I was wasting my time, I guess. This is a crying. Okay, so let's see what kind of solutions people have posted for this question. So we might be getting some insights about like how other people are solving the same question. Shall we go with the 175 thing? I don't know what the fuck happened here. Here we go, he's doing something else here, something different. Some visual. What does it say? So it's R at 1 and it's at 5. Did you guys understand the diagram? Or maybe I'm dumb enough to not understand the diagram right now. Ah, I see. He has given the value there. I haven't seen the graph thing. I mean, the box thing near the graph. Let me see how he's approaching the question. Where the hell is the solution? Intuition. Since a tourist must take exactly one ride and one water ride, one land ride and one water ride, they are supposed to be able to try possible pairs of rides. For the chosen land ride, water ride, there are only two possible land, water, water, land. For each order, we calculate the finishing time. If second ride has already opened, when the first ride is finished, then it can get started immediately. Otherwise, the tourist must wait until it's open. Earliest answer is the minimum finishing among the pairs for both possible orders. Initialize answer with a very large value, which is at infinity, and iterate through every land I and iterate through every land right j. Compute the finish time for the land water finish land right start water right at max of land finish and water start water land finish water right and start the same thing. Update the answer with the minimum finish time of time and return the minimum answer. the time complexity goes to like O in n, I mean O of n. Did we do the same thing? I guess we did the same thing, right? Code. I feel like we did the same thing, but we haven't done the O of n square approach. Right? Ours is like O of n, I guess. It should be O of n, right? This is not my solution. This is our solution. So this is one loop. This is one loop. This is one loop. This is one loop. Like, literally, O of n is the highest time complexity for this thing, I guess. I don't think we have something else here. Are we sorting something? We are not sorting anything. We're just carrying the variables. It doesn't count. So yeah, we have like O of n only here. So even my returning part was right, but this math of start time and land time something I haven't figured out. If I had known that thing, I would have done on myself. If I literally paste the solution, will it work for the medium thing? I feel like it should work since there is not much changes, I guess. Okay, we have a 10 to the power of 4 here. I don't think we will be able to brute force it. It works. It won't work from here. Oh, motherfucker, what the fuck? Hell nah, bro. What the hell was that? But the but the constraint was like 10 to the power of 4, which is pretty bigger number, I guess. 10 to the power of 5. Here we had like only 1000, I guess. Where is the solution? Where is the answer? Here we have like 100. It shouldn't work, man. That's the reason they give the constraint. Maybe this was the solution, but not the right solution for the problem. I guess like it should be working since this is brute force solution. But yeah, are we printing something anywhere? Okay, let us try something similar to this question. So, since I was not able to solve the 30%, I guess, since I already formed the loop and everything, I just missed this part. Math of this thing, and where is the math of this thing? This was the right answer there. I only missed that part. We wrote an optimal one, crazy. Then why the fuck is saying like 16%? I don't know what the hell is wrong with it. Bro, I, I don't know. I don't know. Holy moly, donut shop. What's up, man? Thank you for joining. I literally don't know DP, man. Sorry, bro. I haven't explored the DP right now. I think right now I'm doing heap, I guess heap, yeah, something called as heap, which is used for optimizing the time complexity, I guess. I haven't explored the DP and backtracking part, I guess. Like we have, yeah, this is not a backtracking. No, this is not backtracking. This is heap. Yeah, kind of backtracking, but with some loop conditionals, I guess. No, this is not backtracking. Um, yeah, I'm doing backtracking, but yeah, but we are not using recursion here. We are going with the loop itself. This is like swapping my indices. Today I learned about the heap and how to use the heap and how to insert a value inside a heap. And I need to learn how to extract the value from the heap, and we have some more thing. No, 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 no. I haven't explored backtracking. I haven't. For that thing, you have to know recursion. I mean, like your recursion knowledge should be good, right, for doing backtracking and DP and other stuffs. DP is used for the optimization part, right? So for that, you need to know how to write an brute force solution for that first. Then only you will be able to come up with the optimized path. But if you don't even know how to do the brute force part, then learning DP is not a useful thing. Yo, code. Can you join here? Can you join this? Can you join this and explain me the max and you're doing some max part like in between the code itself. Can you explain that part? If anyone wants to join the room, you can join with the link. You can learn together. If you want, you can join the Discord, and there are like, more people over there, and those people are like pro guys. You can learn from them. And if you want to teach something, you can teach. You're free to do anything you want until you remain in the how do I say that, under the constraints, not behaving something bad. Did you join code? Yeah, if you want, you can teach me. I mean, you can teach me the concepts of backtracking or maybe the DP part, so we can jump with the DP and backtracking questions. Or either you can just sit on the Discord and you can learn. Anything would work. Whatever you say, man. Yo, there's someone here. What the hell? It says my resources. I like this feature. How are they even getting my systems information and stuff? Is this because of some sort of VS Code extension? We have two people here. Come on, bro. Does anyone know how to do DP and backtracking? Can you explain? Where I'm from? I'm from India. Vivek. Vivek. Yeah. Fires. Yeah. That's the reason. Like that's the reason I haven't moved to the backtracking and DP part. Since this is the end of the DSA part, DSA thing, right? Like we have backtracking and we have DP and we have a greedy something I don't know. I've seen somewhere like we have a greedy DP and some sort of other algorithms used for the problem solving, I guess. After that, we don't have anything else, I guess. Like yeah, that is the last part of the DSA, I guess. Since we first covered the arrays and come to the binary search and sorting algos, and after that we go back to the trees, and after that we go back to the link place. From link place we come to the, what do we have after that? I have told the sorting algos, right? Then sorting algos, and then after that we have the recursion and DP and other stuff like some other algos we use for solving the problems in the DSA, I guess. We don't have anything else, I guess. I think if you sit with the full concentration for like 3 to 4 months, then I think you will be able to crack it. But I'm since I'm dumb, so I'm not able to go to that level of people like used to go. Recursion and backtracking is the base for the binary tree and binary search, and also with the depth first algorithm in the graphs. I see. But I have solved few of them. But I have solved few of questions from the binary search. How do I see like what kind of questions I have solved in the binary tree? Right? Where do I see the binary tree? There is no binary tree. Yeah, I have binary search. Yeah, here it is binary tree. 14 questions. I think those were like only from my iteration part. I can do since I know how the logic works. Yeah, I have done the recursion part. Uh, I wrote a recursion function and I called it. I'm not so much stronger with the recursion part, but yeah, I know the recursion part. So I was able to solve the questions, which were easier, and I guess one to two were medium questions. Binary tree in the zigzag traverse. Oh, I had to only print with parent to parent, I guess. Yeah, parent to parent. Oh, I am doing the input part. If my root is not there, then answer will be and consider push will be this thing. My level is divisible by 2, then pushing the root value. Yeah, parent, like this parent, and here. Same, I guess. I need to revise the binary tree since this is a little bit complicated topic, I guess. Not complicated topic, but I have to remember some parts like how do you traverse and how do you access the values. And the main part is like how to use a recursion itself. 'Early morning I was trying to learn not learn, I mean refresh my C++ thing, so I will be able to do on the C++. So which is pretty much faster, I guess. Like every platform allows to do in the CPP. So I was trying to do. It gave me some sort of questions. I was doing. I started with the basic. It's a small introduction set here. Like literally cover the basics, like what kind of tool you have and something. After that, I started with the questions the ChatGPT gave me and did everything. I think at the end I did the duplicate part. I guess yeah, the vector part. I have to learn the STL. I guess STL is covered. I guess vector comes under STL. Right? I don't. I only know how the code works and how try LeetCode 31. I feel like I have done. Why do I feel like I have done that question? 39. I have to revise my. Yeah, I have done it. Oh, combination. Yeah, I have not done. Sorry. I was saying this question, first question. What are we supposed to return? A given distant integer candidates and target and return the list of unique combinations of candidate where chosen number is sum of target. You may return a combination in any number of. Do we have to return the total number of possibilities for getting the target 7? And it should be unique, right? Like then, what the fuck we have double 2 here. They said there are like unlimited, the same number maybe chosen unlimited. Okay, let me think. If my target is equal to my value itself, then it can be one of the answer inside there. If not, we have to form them. All element of candidate are distinct. So they're saying like there won't be any duplicate here, but we are privileged to use duplicate values. And candidate of 2 and target is 1. Since my value is 2, it can't. So what are they saying is like if my length of my candidate is 1 and my target is like le- is target I mean the candidate's value is lesser than my target, then there won't be any output. This is one of the edge case I guess. And we have to form the combinations now. How can I form a combination to get a 7 or the stuff? 7 can be in, I can't do 3 plus 3 and 3 can't be done since it will be 9. The only possibilities are like I either can do I can do 4 and even I can't spam the 2 again since it won't be equal to 7. 2 and 3 are the candidates and 2 plus 2 2 plus 2 plus 3 equals to 7. Note that that 2 is 2 can be used multiple times. 7 is a candidate and 7 equals to 7. These are the two the combinations. So what I need to try is like I need to check if my target minus the value, how much does it gives me. After that, you can check if the value is already existing in there, then you can just duplicate them or look for the other value. What do you say? Is my approach right? Or? So what I'm thinking to do is like this is my target, right? Well, it's so thin. Ignore that. So we have a 7 here, and we are given some values from where we have to take the combinations, which is pretty much equal to the 7. And they told us to take, yeah, they didn't tell us to return the unique thing. We can return the duplicate values inside them, but it should be equal to the target. So what I'm going to do is like, I will check 7 if I take this first value and if I minus this thing, how much will we get? And we'll check if that value exists or not. If that doesn't exist, then I'll check which value uh, getting added together gives me the difference between them, and that could be the possible answer for here. And since my 7 equals to 7, then I'll just return it as a separate answer. Let me try once. I don't know if this will work or not. Now I have to check the difference, right? If my target is wait, I can return in any order, right? Sure, return in any order. Right? Yeah, you may return the combinations in any order. I've told here. So what I'm going to do is like I have to check if my candidates of I equal to target. If this is true, then what I'm going to do is like push inside my result also. Check of push. So this should work only if my this thing is possible. If I don't break from here, then will it store every value inside it? Yes, what I have to do is like take the difference, right? Difference will be like candidates. I may start it. You should give me the let me check. This is pretty much just a question. I think we can't do it that since we need to push them in an order. And if it is equal to the candidate, push. The fresh solution should be from the down. So the difference between my candidate and the target is current value is the total times the value need to be stored there. So I'm storing the difference there. And candidate of I will be getting changed every time. I need to make it stagnant there till I find the time. Otherwise, I will be getting a wrong. If I leave the difference like candidate of I minus target, then it will reach till the end. I guess then the difference will be like 0. What kind of topics they have covered here? Bro, what the fuck? You give me a backtracking question. I don't know backtrack. I feel like this is the pattern, but I have to put it in the backtracking pattern now. How do we backtrack in general? Let me comment this. If I have a backtracking, then I should be having a function, right? Function find some difference over here. And start early combination combine compose. If my difference equal to 0, then we need to push into the result, right? It should be I need to push every value of the combo. This is for the initial check. Check. If difference is less than, then condition should starting. I will go till my whole candidate. I plus plus is after. All I have to do is I have to check the zero. Since everything is fine, push them into how much combo has the overall array. If my difference is zero, then this should happen. Less than my zero. Now I think we need to do this part. If my start is high, the candidate is getting pushed. Yeah, my target is here and then it will start from zero. It's a first value. What is the first value? It should start from zero. Okay, then candidate of I. The difference minus candidate of I. Combo is normal combo. The packing is done. What I have to do is like I have to call the function outside. That's find target. What is my difference? Target function and it will start from zero. Then it is I guess uh, my difference is zero. Then push the push so then difference is equal to zero. Start from I zero and go till end and then push the combination whatever comes to the candidate itself. Okay, taking the different thing combo start and now and go which oh, I made a spelling mistake. Result having months. Okay, I'm getting some issues. What is that? It says combos is not defined. Combos, combos, combos. Okay, one condition got passed. Like, what the fuck is this? Why am I even getting? Oh, what the hell? Where is my code? Oh, since I returned it, so it's getting printed. What the fuck? So many duplicates. I feel like I missed something somewhere. You have to ignore the duplicates now. Since the difference is 0, 1, pushing the combo, then once it less than 0, then I will return. Start this and push inside this, and after doing that, why he's lower than me, but he's like, oh yeah. What is hello here? Why is it very Oh, in order to debug it. And 499. Done, bro. I figured out this thing, but when I saw backtracking, then I did what I used to do in the what is it called? Graph, I guess, the binary tree. किधर गया वो मेरे को उसका आइडिया ही नहीं था भाई काम कर गया नॉट बाइनरी 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 ट्री में जो रिकर्शन यूज करता था इट्स द सेम था literally same but I have changed the formula यहाँ पे you see if my current is not there and this is written same thing if my current is not there I've written just pushing the value and where it I have done similar question somewhere जिसमें follow the recursion path this thing same pattern but यहाँ पे this formula is different यहाँ ऊपर में I figured out but I was thinking how would I come back again and check it around let me see other people's solution 15 बार error और ये सबमिट करने पे error जाता what the hell is this I need to remember this pattern here like, whenever backtracking question comes and I have to do it the conditional part will be happening here and then backtracking must every time mostly happens here below and after that we are going to pass the value here and result will be printed here. The rest of the string is not useful at all. We will be declaring a result somewhere. Let us try some similar situation. But try to. Maybe that's how I will. But find the similar question. But this was a bad one. Here we have a combinations again. Like, is this the same question? Okay, I feel like this is same. So let us think how to derive the solution. They are given two integer n and k, return possible combinations of k. Then what is the use of n then? Like, what is the use of n? Are they saying like I can only take the values under 4 under the given n? It can't go beyond n. I feel like yeah, that is true. Since they have given 4, I don't see anything going above 4 here. The combination of there are 4 combinations, 4 and 4 chooses 2 equals to 6 combinations. Why? There are 4 choose 2. There are 4 choose 2. Say, if I add this together, I don't get 6. What the hell? If I add this 2 together, then I'm getting 6. Here also gonna get 6. Are you guys able to understand what he has wrote? There are 4 choose 2 equals to 6. 2 equals to 6 combination. Note that combinations are unordered. One consider the same. That is the hint. So I have to go from my k till here. If my n is 4, 1, 1, 2. But if I add 2 plus 1, which is 3, plus 1, which is 4, 4 plus 1, which is 5, series of 5. I'm sorry, 4. Given two integers n and k, return all possible combinations of k numbers chosen from one. And where is the juice? But if I add 1 plus 2, which is 3, it is not going to give. What will I get? There are 4 numbers, choose any two examples or something. No, um, but if you add 1 plus 2, which is 3, right? Like, it is not even giving the value of N plus k, or like maybe even k value is not possible in any way. Like, you see, there is no k value here. If I add 1 plus 2, which is 3, and 1 plus 3, which is 4, which is giving me n value. What the hell? I'm so dumb. No adding here. Then what the hell I'm supposed to do? Permutation, what the fuck? No, I don't know permutation. I haven't even seen the question like those kind of questions. Let me see how people question it. I don't even have a question. Same too. There's a mode to solve the permutation and combination data structure algorithm. You need to focus on generating possibilities rather than just counting. When when coding, think permutation as arrangement where order factors. Their order and combination of selections were order different. So what the hell is that? Massive combination, massive combination. What doesn't matter? Core strategy, backtracking, species, okay, combination. So this is what people used to say, like this is a hard problem. Why the fuck am I even doing this now? This is what most people say me like backtracking, hard problem. Will I be able to solve this question? 1 to n now. But 1 to n number, then why do you have k here? You don't even need a k. Or 2 is the limit of number, I guess. 2 is the limit of number, right? Can't exceed more than 2 digits. That is what k is doing, right? Okay, let me continue. Now I understand. Once a process and decision. What fuck you do? Fine enough. I understand. My short index and current combination. This is how I see is literally same. It's looking literally same. Some different options. Bro, anyone wants to join Discord? I was sitting here alone for past 30 minutes. Nobody came. do I stop my how do you say that? I need to find the but but imagine this Nikhil. Imagine he from that value Excalibur. If you can explain. भाई एक लाइन का क्वेश्चन भी समझ नहीं आता लाइक 20 लाइन्स का क्वेश्चन भी समझ नहीं आता oh shit here we go again this was a question so k is 4 so it directly says like oh I have to make a combinations oh I understand one two one why one can't be 1 3 1 4 1 even 1 5 can't be just if I can't even have 2 3 how oh 2 4 now I need to limit my result till 2 digits even if I define my array size as 2 like in the JavaScript it's kind of dynamic and size when I try to push the value so then it automatically how do we ignore if I declare my array as size 2 then my cross if I have since I declare so that's then so values inside now okay yeah if I run a 2 for loop then I can do it was 10 is not length right so change start so I if I start let me start there won't be 0 But if I start from one index, then you let me start. Won't be landing. Let us see how many combinations we have limited till 4, right? There should be are we getting the combinations? One, two, okay, one, three, one, four. And why I mean, okay, not have one place. Split. I guess I need to do equal to since it is a second. Again, one, four, yeah, you do one and two. Why we don't have two? We have a two, three, two, four. Start from. Even this will go to this. Oh yeah, one. If my n is one, skip. It will continue. So it's therefore. Okay. Can the values be reversed? He told like 2, 1, 1, 2 are considered same. Okay. 2, 1, 1, 2 doesn't matter. It's both the same. Why you don't have? But can you say like why do we don't have to here? 4, 2, 4 is here. And 1. Since 2, 2 is not matching with anything, like it should be there, right? Like why the fuck it's not? Yeah, we can in the end put them in the set and I think give me the unique values of the one after that. You don't have to worry about that. Now the only problem is like why we are not including 2 and 2. What is the issue with that? Since even that is an value required, right? But did I miss any constraint? Uh, should my k value and the n value shouldn't be equal, I guess. if my k value equal equals to my if the k value equal to then my so okay, we'll mark these questions and that I'll solve it tomorrow. So I'm going to right, yes. I need to use hash map and set it. Tomorrow once I come stream and discuss first and after that I will do the problem of the day. I'm having more. Then I'll be doing the rest of questions something. Until then I will learn this graph tracking and combination technique to complete everything. So I think stuff. It will not be this is around. It's okay man, tomorrow we're going to put together, don't worry. Did the LeetCode question got changed? It's 12. It's not 12. Does it get changed at 12 a.m.? No, don't say the answer. Don't say the answer. I'll try on my own. If I'm failing, then I will ask her. Oh, until 4 a.m. I see. Alright, man. You guys take care, I guess. I'll be going on. Wow, my handling is so good with the mouse. Are you going to study until 4 a.m.? I'm just kidding. You should sleep, bro. It's already late here, I guess. Like it's 7:40, I guess. I don't know. 37. Tomorrow early morning I wake up and make a note of it. It's fucking. I need to revise my tree concepts. I need to revise regressions. I need to learn backtracking. I need to learn something. After that, I need to revise my test linked list and continue with the heap thing. I don't know. I don't know how much time it will take for me to do this. So what the hell is the name of it? Demo? What do you call that? Sticky. I even need to learn system design stuff, bro. I have so much on my head right now. I'm not able to focus on it. How do I cancel this? What the hell? What is this? Why do I have even a fucking QI? It's not even going, bro. Oh, I see. The note for tomorrow is I'm going to what I need to is revise tree linked list tracking. I need to which I need to set for like 3 to 4 months. In one sit I have to do learn backtracking and explore it. And permutation I guess. What else I have? What else I have? Um, write some features for I can assign a time also. My, I think we're good to go now. Revise trees, linked list, and what the fuck? I'm fucking sleepy, bro. Linked list. Recursion, which is a 1.5 hours and turn back to speed with a load combination propagation. Write some pictures for the Mozilla extension. Did someone download something? Yeah, I don't have it downloaded. Okay, right, signing out. So to-do list is ready for I want it to be red, whatever red. Sample is fine. Oh, I need to end my stream. What the fuck?